Yeah.
Puzzle time with Tyler and Tony.
Tony and Tyler.
Tony and Tyler, whatever it is. Today we've got new Hanayama. Snowflakes.
Cast snow.
Cast snow. Finishing up our Pavel series with the Trail
and Error. Actually really awesome in the same bent as
Analinks.
Yep.
Cool looking puzzle. And the Tromino Trail. 6 different ways to play, 6 different ways to win.
B-roll. Puzzle time, Tony and Tyler.
Brought the shirts for you.
Yeah. So today we are shooting brand new Hanayama.
Cast snow.
Cast snow in the Huzzle collection. This just came to Canada. I think it's been out in like
Japan
and China. So
yeah, always when we get the new boxes, these two, like they're written in Japanese.
Yeah, hey, you can see some of the like writing in the bottom there.
Like so none of the back of it will eventually be translated to
English as well. I didn't even notice that. Look at that. The whole back is like not English.
Yeah.
Interesting.
So all of the first runs come in all Japanese packaging.
Interesting. I did not know that about Hanayama.
Yeah. Huh. Yeah, so if it's brand new, it's got the Japanese writing on it.
Yeah. Cast snow. We are shooting that. We have got some Pavel's puzzles later too. So here is the cast snow. Let's get a close up here on the camera. Ooh, look at that. Lots of reflection. It's pretty.
Dual leveled snowflake maze.
So snowflake maze, dual maze. One so there's a post on this side, as you can see, and a post on that side, and then you gotta run the post through the maze and get it out.
Yeah, you can get both of the centers.
Do you think it comes out the middle?
No, I was trying to see whether like one of the holes is bigger on the corners that it kind of fits through.
Yeah.
But I was even thinking that if you get it to the center, there might just be like a little twist to it.
Well, if you actually look at the center here, the two faces that are facing each other, the middle spikes are kind of rounded. Hey, like see it's rounded there. Oh, you got yours like far out. That's kind of cool. So where do you think it actually comes off? You said.
I don't know.
I think it's got to come out the middle, man. I don't think any of these holes is big enough. Right?
Yeah, I don't know. This is a level 6 on our Puzzle Master difficulty
Puzzle Master difficulty. It is a 2 out of 5 on the Hanayama difficulty rating scale.
So just a little bit out of our reach.
Yeah, maybe.
So there is a starting point on these two. Like they got that little circle there.
Yeah, on both sides. So there's like I don't know if you guys can see it there. There's a circle, half circle cut on that side. And on this side, right there, there's like that. Let's see if you can see it here. I don't know, try to the reflection there. And you can see that there's a circle right in there. So that's where those pieces have to sit to get it back to the starting point.
Okay, well.
And I think mine's actually back at the starting point. Look at that.
I don't want to do this one anymore.
So yeah, that's
the cast snow.
Cast snow, brand new Hanayama. I like that one. Level 6.
Dual maze.
Now, we've been doing these Pavel's puzzles. We've been doing them
couple every week. So we've got new spread here. It's kind of we're actually down to the last 6. That's cool. Yeah.
So
the Analinks so far, the best one.
Oh
obviously.
Yeah, man. That was so good. That one.
Well done. Yeah. So we picked another box one. Trail and Error.
And this Tromino Trail.
Let's do the box one first, because last time the box one went good. Yeah.
Okay. We'll leave Tromino Trail for the last.
Have you looked these up at all?
No, not really. This one's what? This is level 6.
Yeah, it's made by some mathematician.
Ooh.
Donald Booth. Donald what?
Like Couth or something.
Okay. Is there any instruction? This is a lot of pieces. Is there any instruction with this? Putting the trail together is hard enough. Can you successfully walk it when it's done? Huh.
Level 7.
So you just gotta get this all together.
Okay,
So
put the trail
there's
together.
letter cutouts. So it's like A, C,
Gotcha.
E, T,
I got another
H.
T.
And then it looks like all this stuff kind of lines up. You
Okay,
think
put
like
all the letters over there and I'll get all that.
there's a little plus sign, there's an L, a 2, an R, an E. Huh. Now do you think these
Oh, look at this piece.
because there's actual like letters on each piece too, so I think
Yeah, so I think we gotta put the trail together first. Obviously, let's start with this one, you know.
why?
Copyright
Oh, look at that, in the
2012,
corner,
Allan
yeah.
Curtis. Yeah.
So is this
all
like
rights
a-
reserved. And
This
it looks
is-
like you'll have something with a negative
Yeah,
image
there's
here
a little
too.
tiny triangle.
Yeah, I thought this was a neat piece
A
too.
W there.
There's a W or an M.
Oh, here's another one. This is the other corner. Or another, it says Pavel's Puzzles are on the outside. Should we do this like a jigsaw almost? Like where you put everything,
no idea.
all the edge pieces together? Ooh, the arrow. Look at that. Oh, there you
Is
go.
that the edge piece?
Yeah, that's the corner.
All right.
Okay, we got a corner up there. Oh, there. Look at this. This?
Yeah.
Little triangle. It's in the A.
Oh, wowie.
So the middles of these are going to get filled out too. Is there one for the R? Doesn't look like it.
Doesn't look like it.
I don't see anything, but that's cool.
Yeah.
I don't totally understand what the pathway thing is. I mean, obviously it's going to be something on here.
Well, you're gonna have to spell some out, and then I imagine that you like the letters are gonna say something to you too. You know,
Yeah.
like the way that they're orientated in the puzzle there.
Yeah, the interesting thing when you look through here too, look at there's a whole bunch of M's. M, 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 M. Like there's a lot of repeated letters in here. I thought maybe it was an alphabet thing, like A, B, C, D, E, F, G at first. And you look through here and it's definitely not. It's a whole bunch of like, yeah, the same letters repeated. So yeah, that is trial and error.
Trial and error.
There's a trail and error, not trial. It's a good little puzzle. Again, I'm surprised about how good these Pebbles ones are. I wasn't sure on some of them. You crack it open and they're pretty neat. So trail and error.
Trail and error.
On to
Last one.
Tromino Trails. A little harder.
Go.
Level 7.
Oh no, this is the one designed by the math guy.
This is the one?
Yeah.
Oh. Donald Couth.
Which there's supposed to be like 5 puzzles within this.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, so like you see they got words under there too.
Right.
Let's just take these out.
Alright.
Here we go. 5 challenges.
6x6 square using only Trominos with no dots. 6x8 rectangle adding 1 dot pieces.
1 dot, 2 dot, 3 dot.
Isn't this the 6x6 square here?
Yeah, well there's going to be a puzzle format in here. Does this come out? There's that.
Oh, it does.
Yeah,
too.
that all comes out. So like this comes out and so does this.
Oh, so there's little pieces. Okay, here, let's show everyone that because that might not be.
I don't think
super
they're part
obvious.
of the puzzle, but
No?
well, like
I think it is though, because then you can.
yeah, but you don't use these. Like,
no,
they're
but,
just blockers.
yeah, it's blocks. Like so, you can like make different shapes inside of this.
Yeah, you're making a different frame.
Yeah. So this piece comes out. It says place the pieces so that the trail forms a single continuous loop.
Yeah. So depending on what challenge you're working on, you'll set up kind of a
Right.
different grid.
So there's 5 challenges down here. You actually probably can't see that on camera. Let's go up here a little closer. I don't know if you're gonna be able to see
Reflection's
it.
not real nice.
But there's words right in here, and it tells you kind of what to do. And then there's a little challenge right there on this piece too.
Okay, so I bet you if you're doing the first number 1 dots, you'll line it up.
Oh,
there, right?
so you put it. So there's little. Again, you're not gonna be able to see this very well. I can see it actually. There's dots on the side. So challenge 1, challenge 2, challenge 3. So there's 4 right here.
Yeah. So you'd unlock the whole thing at 4, right?
Right.
You'd have to move this one over
Yeah.
to make it bigger.
Yeah.
And then each of the pieces, you can see this one's got 4 dots. This one's got 1 dot.
Okay. So there's like 3 on this one.
Right there, right? 3 dots. Okay. Interesting. I don't want to get too far into this one.
And then
but-
these ones have no dots, so I imagine that the puzzle is these ones plus your single dots plus your double dots plus your 3 dots.
Right. Huh.
Yeah.
Cool.
Are you hungry, bro?
I just ate, so my stomach is a growling. There we go. And these are all look like they're the same shape, pretty much, eh?
All the same shape, a little
Same
bit different
outer shape.
road.
Yeah. Tromino Trails. Nope. Yeah, that is this one.
Yeah.
So concept by Donald Knuth, design by Pavel Curtis. Pavel Curtis is obviously the Pavel of Pavel's Puzzles. Okay, so we have a bunch of guys on YouTube shooting some cool stuff. Chris Ramsey, actually, I was checking out his channel. He has a new building he's bought for his shooting, so he's getting this all set up with lights and floors and everything. So he's made this big investment. He called the video like the biggest investment of his life. And so he's got this whole new studio that he's setting up to shoot, which looks pretty cool.
Expecting big things.
Yeah. He also shot a puzzle called the Parking Meter. So it's a limited edition one he bought on an online auction. Looks pretty neat. So it's a wood puzzle and it's shaped like those parking meter old things. Cool. You know, so you saw one?
Puzzle Guy did a video. Not sure what the name of it was. The video was called Touch Me Not. And he introduced it as Mimosa, and I think it's a super limited run too. Like, he got in contact with the designer to do a video for him.
Yeah, some guy in India. Hey?
Yeah.
Huh.
Yeah, so that was pretty cool.
Yeah.
And Puzzle Guy.
Yeah, he did the aluminum cross. Will Strybos. Now that's a good puzzle. If you want to see him solve it, he does it on camera. Puzzle Guy is one of our favorites. He always does some good stuff. Ivan. And so yeah, check that one out. So there's 3 different YouTubers. Those are some of our favorites. And yeah, what do you guys like actually? In the comments below, man, tell us what videos you like out there. What are some of your favorite videos on puzzles that you've watched? Solutions, reviews, just fun stuff. Who are some of your favorite YouTubers? Maybe there's guys we're not aware of. So you tell us who you like and let us know in the comments below. Again, this is our YouTube channel, so you can check us out here, subscribe, hit the little bell to get notifications when we release new videos. And we are doing that constantly. There's lots of solutions. Tony, you've been shooting some reviews.
Yeah, this Corona crisis has allowed us to shoot a lot more content, so...
Yeah, you're going to get a lot. Tony, you've been shooting, what, Pelican, I think you just finished up?
Yeah, I've been doing 6 to 8 videos a day.
That's great.
Yeah, so there'll be a lot of content coming out.
Yeah, and then some of the guys are doing solutions. Aaron's got a bunch of stuff. I think there's been a bunch of Pelican things that have been released recently, but lots of stuff there. Check us out on Facebook. You can like our page there. We also have the Hanayama, Hanayama Puzzle Enthusiasts group on Facebook. That thing's been blowing up, man. There's like 650 people on there now. And I think there's always new guys putting stuff on there. So I think it's a forum more where people just talk about Hanayama puzzles they've seen, what they're doing, problems they're having. There's people giving out hints and stuff, sometimes unwanted hints, but yeah. So check that out. And then also on Instagram, we have stuff on there getting posted all the time. So go onto Instagram and look up Puzzle Master. Other than that, I think that's our video today. Thank you guys for watching. We sure appreciate those of you who are checking out our channel and watching our videos. And we're always looking for new ideas. So if you guys have stuff you want to see on here, let us know. Other than that, thanks for watching. And we hope you guys have a great day and survive this whole epidemic across the world that's happening right now.
Stay healthy.
See ya.